The DJI Avata 3 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of first-person view, FPV drones, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to cater to both hobbyists and professionals. Building upon the successes and lessons of its predecessors, this drone addresses previous shortcomings while introducing innovative capabilities that set new standards in aerial photography and videography. Revolutionizing aerial imaging, at the heart of the Avata 3 lies a substantial upgrade in its imaging capabilities. The drone is rumored to feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant improvement over the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Avata 2. This enhancement is expected to deliver superior image quality, particularly in low-light conditions, and support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, enabling smooth cinematic slow-motion footage. Lens logic-enhanced flight stability and control flight stability is paramount for any drone enthusiast, and the Avata 3 excels in this regard. Its robust design, combined with advanced sensors, ensures smooth and stable flights even in challenging conditions. The drone's user-friendly interface makes controlling it more intuitive, allowing pilots to execute complex maneuvers with ease. These improvements address common issues faced by users, such as shaky footage and difficult controls, making the flying experience more enjoyable and productive. Advanced obstacle avoidance, system safety, and precision are enhanced through the Avata 3's sophisticated obstacle avoidance system. Utilizing a combination of cameras and sensors, the drone can detect and navigate around obstacles, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring smoother flights. This feature is particularly useful when flying in environments with numerous obstacles, providing pilots with greater confidence and control. Extended flight time for uninterrupted creativity. With a maximum flight time of up to 30 minutes, the Avata 3 allows users to capture extensive footage without frequent interruptions for battery changes. This extended flight time is a significant improvement, offering more opportunities for creativity and exploration during each flight session. Aerial acrobatics with precision. The Avata 3 is not just about capturing stunning visuals. It's also designed for performance. The drone's agility enables it to perform impressive aerial stunts, such as flips and spins, while maintaining a stable and clear connection with the pilot. This capability is ideal for creating dynamic and engaging content, showcasing the drone's versatility and responsiveness. Conclusion: the DJI Avata 3 represents a significant leap forward in FPV drone technology. Its combination of high-quality imaging, enhanced flight stability, advanced obstacle avoidance, and extended flight time makes it a compelling choice for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic hobbyists. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or executing complex aerial maneuvers, the Avata 3 is equipped to meet and exceed your creative aspirations.